the floods like we bravely fought the menace of COVID-19. मुझे इधर एक शेर पढ़ लेता हूँ. ये जब ये कोविड का और उसके बाद ये फ्लड्स का सारा हो रहा था, उसकी मुनासिबत से है. जिसको तूफान से उलझने की हो आदत मोहसिन, ऐसी कश्ती को समंदर भी दुआ देते हैं, और हमारी कश्ती पार लगी. So Sindh carried the maximum burden in the country for both COVID and flood and faced disproportionate devastation in 2022, with 1,000 people dying and around 8,000 injured. Significantly affected the houses, transport, agriculture, irrigation and communication infrastructure. The post-flood assessment conducted by the district administration, the World Bank, the UNDP, the European Union and others showed that more than 4.4 million acres of agricultural land were destroyed and irrigation and flood protection systems were damaged. About 437,000 livestock worth $117 million were lost, and nearly 60% of the road network was undermined. Moreover, a total of 2.36 million houses were destroyed, affecting 12.36 million people, including 650,272 partially damaged houses and 1.44 million fully damaged houses. In addition, 2,548 government buildings lost their shape, representing nearly 83% of the total nationwide figure. Sindh alone suffered a huge loss of $5.5 billion in the housing sector alone. However, the Sindh government's aggressive response to the natural calamity reduced the impact of the destruction. The Sindh government immediately executed the emergency relief activities through the Provincial Disaster Management Authority in association with District Administration, Pakistan Army, Pakistan Navy, Pakistan Air Force and paramilitary forces for prompt evacuation of stagnant water. The aid and assistance received from local and foreign sources were distributed among the affected people. It includes supply of clean drinking water, 1 million tents were distributed, 630,000 plastic tarpaulins, 3.95 million mosquito nets, 2.55 million ration bags, 1.84 million blankets, sanitation kits, and a lot more essential items for daily living. During the flood and rain emergencies, 26 mobile hospitals were deployed in 16 districts to provide health facilities to the flood and rain affected people. More than 190,000 people were treated with free medicines, and more than 20,000 lab and other tests were conducted by the mobile hospitals only in 46 days of the emergency. To ensure effective operation and maintenance of these mobile hospitals, we have allocated rupees 556 million for the financial year 2023-24. UNHCR and UNFP also assisted with the supply of food items to the affected areas. In addition, we are grateful to the federal government who distributed through the Benazir Income Support Program. And Mr. Speaker,